So, I mean, obviously, on that journey, I would think that you've started a family. So, understanding that as a entrepreneur, it takes a lot of time. So, how do you juggle your hustle with your family life?
Well, I've always felt like that work and life needs to balance. So I've always spent a lot of time with my family, my son, my wife, and didn't allow work to dominate me in that way. And frankly, I've always had a great work ethic and what have you, and that's translated into me working for myself. What I do now is actually much more fun than what I've done throughout my corporate career.
Mm.
So I find myself sometimes uh, uh, putting in more time than I should. So I have to back up. I have to take days. So I balance things out by doing the things I enjoy doing, even during the week when I create the opportunity for it. So during the week on a Friday, because Friday is a slow day for me, I might go play golf in the middle of the day. Um, and my wife is taking up golf, so sometimes I'm doing it with her.
Nice,
Allows us
nice.
to spend some time together. The same thing in the middle of the week. If I have a Wednesday or a day where my calendar is free in the afternoons, because I work for myself, my phone can ring even while I'm on the golf course. So, I'm still working, but I'm also doing some things for myself. This weekend, we're going to go up to Gatlinburg just to get away for the
Mm.
weekend, and we do that quite often these days just because we have the flexibility to do it. And my wife is retired, so we're not restricted to, she got to go to work every day or what have you. So when we're ready to go, we go.
Nice, nice.
Cool.